next question. Who can explain the difference between null and undefined? Start dropping your me's. Okay. We'll go with Shubham. Shubham, you can try unmute and then try to answer.
Yeah, hi all. So,
Hi.
am I audible now?
Yes.
So yeah, so null basically represents the absence of the object's value. Okay, and undefined is like if we are declaring a variable and we are not initializing it, so it will return us the undefined value. And
Hmm.
the another difference is that type of null is object, and while
Hmm.
type of undefined is itself undefined.
Hmm.
So this
Okay.
is the basic two differences between the null and the uh, undefined.
Okay. Cool. Okay, Shubham. So yes, the point Shubham added is a valid one. Apart from that, guys, let's just understand the difference between null and undefined. First of all, everyone needs to be clear of it that both are primitive values, right? Both are primitive values and both represents absence of data, right? Absence of data is what we represent using null and undefined. But the thing is, what differentiates between them is the context in which we are going to use them. So I'll give you two keywords today that you people can recall whenever it comes to null and undefined. Right? We say that null is used for intentionally missing purposes and undefined is used for unintentional missing purposes. Right? Just remember these keywords. Null is intentional, undefined is unintentional. Now, what does that mean? See, undefined in JavaScript is a type which is going to represent a variable that has been declared but not assigned any value. We have seen that JavaScript returns as a default value undefined in all such cases, right? However, null, on the other hand, is an assignment value that you or me are going to assign, right? Whenever you are creating a variable, let's say let a equals null. Now, why do we call it as an assignment value? Because it is representing no value. That means we are saying A is right at this moment is not having any value. Now, ma'am, when are we going to use this null? Because I gave you this keyword intentionally missing purposes. Let's say you are making some code, you are making some application, and you are having a variable whose value is unknown right at this moment. Right? That variable may get the value later somewhere in the code, but at this moment we are unsure of what that value holds to be. So in such cases, we will say that variable equals null. That means intentionally we are assigning it no value. So please remember, null is used for intentionally missing purposes, that you are providing it no value because you don't know what value this variable needs to hold. While on the other hand, undefined is going to be where the variable is defined, but you forgot to assign any value to it, and then we are trying to access it. So JavaScript returns that as a default value to us, right? That is exactly what we have to remember. So basically, null and undefined both represents absence of data. It's just we say that the difference comes in coding perspective, that how exactly we are going to use them into different contexts. That is where the difference between null and undefined comes. Is everyone clear with this null and undefined? Is it important to tell why null type is object? Aviral, this question is in sense of like, is it important to tell that part in the interview, or you are asking me for that? Let me know this part. Because generally it doesn't comes. No, it doesn't comes up. If anybody specifically asks you, then we can go for explaining it. No need to provide extra information without asking. Right, so generally it's not being asked, but if in case rare cases if they ask you, or if sometimes the talk goes over the topic, then you can mention the same part over there. So sort of what we have discussed for null and undefined is, you can remember the keyword null is for intentionally missing purposes. Let's say you are creating a variable whose value is not known at this particular moment, right? So just to represent no value, we are going to assign that variable a null. It's an assignment value Now, when I say let A equals null, that means I am assigning A no value, right? So it's intentionally I am missing the value of that variable. But other cases you're undefined. Undefined is basically where you declared a variable and have not assigned any value. In such cases, JavaScript assigns it a default value called undefined. So that is unintentional missing purposes. So two keywords to always differentiate better between null and undefined is null is for intentionally missing purposes where you are intentionally not providing any value, and undefined is where you are where you unintentionally missed giving a value to it. So in such cases, JavaScript will be assigning a default value undefined to it.